Hi, my name is Kevin Retcher, owner of First Meridian Mortgage, and today I'm going to give you your rate update after the Fed meeting. Yep, today is a very special day. In my background here, I do have officially my website, and I just wanted to introduce you to that website. And in theory, if you're looking to get pre-qualified, have a client that needs to get pre-qualified to buy a house, all you have to do is go to the green button right here and click on loan application, and it will take you to a page where you can start your loan application and we can get you pre-qualified. Other than that, let's get to the rate update after the Fed meeting. So here's the thing. You've heard of the saying, buy the rumor, sell the news. Essentially, that's what's happened here after the Fed cut rates by 0.5%. The 10-year Treasury is actually backed off 9 ticks, and essentially rates have gotten a little bit worse. Okay, that's not untypical of a Fed move. Okay, simply for those reasons, also for supply and demand, biggest media coverage, Fed cut interest rates, so a lot of people go and jump at the opportunity to actually do a refinance, and so the lenders do not need to necessarily be as aggressive. Okay, what's going to happen here is we got some big reports to come out. We got unemployment first Friday of the month. We have the budget scenario for this week. We also have the strikes at both the ports on the East Coast and West Coast. All these things, I think, also have a factor in the bond traders backing off interest rates for this week. I personally feel over the next couple weeks, should probably see the rates actually trail back down to what they were typically the week before the Fed meeting. So key tip there is, quite often the lowest rates I usually have is the week before the Fed meeting, typically that Thursday or Friday, so those are usually good days to lock. So right now, if I was trying to educate clients and predict whether or not they should lock right now, I'd probably wait a few days if you could on the refi, and I think you'll get rewarded here shortly. So that is today's market update. Today is 9/23 of 2024. And my name is Kevin Retcher, owner of First Meridian Mortgage. If you'd like to like, share, and subscribe, appreciate it. And check out this website. To all the Marines out there, I say Semper Fi. I'll talk to you soon.